Ay, kaya nagmas, si Zian. Ay, Zian. Nagmas daw na. Ay, anak. Anak. Please, uy. Oh, please. Ate. Doon na, di mo. Igago niyo. Unso, wala ka kabantay niya?
Pinaka-first mo.
Try first. Igago mo. Hello, anak.
Ay, wait, hi, honor. Daddy, ay?
Yung mga best friends. Hi. Congrats niyo. Picture ta dito, ha? Zian! Siya may una. Hi!
Kindly settle down and take your seats as the program will shortly begin. Please set your mobile phones to silent mode. We encourage everyone.
Apa ba picture sa ito? Email ko. Ay, di pa.
Adwit mo ang laki.
Para mo ko ana mo dili ka na sunod.
Ano ko para sa kupa.
Gusto man na natin.
It is not just another day on the calendar. It is a day that celebrates courage, perseverance, and dreams turning into reality. My completers and to the proud parents, thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you so much.
Moving off ceremony of the school year 2025 to 2026 of Barcelo Memorial National High School with the theme, Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. And now, the processional.
Let us all welcome the completion candidates.
And the institutional flag bearer, Senior Scout Herzl Vince Bautista.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Invitation, I now confirm your graduation this 31st day of March 2026 with all the rights, honors, privileges thereunto appertaining. Henceforth, therefore, you are now eligible to transfer to any senior high school institution under the Republic of the Philippines. Should it be possible for you to proceed to senior high school, I turn you over now to your parents so that you can become productive citizens of the community where you belong and to the country as well.
Continues to raise and develop those villages. And of course, congratulations to our persevering students who are now officially confirmed.
The grade 10 St. Anne completers, starting with the males. Alcaraz Zian Mayor M, with high honors and a conduct awardee. Zian is also a qualifier in the column writing in English during the Division Schools press conference. Bago Alex John T.
To our great candle leaders, the proud parents, and the dedicated faculty and staff of Arcelo Memorial National High School. Ladies and gentlemen, the processional. We will now proceed with our photo opportunity, starting with our honorable guest.
Asa man to eh?
Pasalamatig balik ang parents ng
Congrats! Congrats! Kiss ko, okay, picture tayo ito. Asa yung medal? Wow, silver! Congrats, Rosian! Thank you. I love you, Zian. Zian! Ay! Oh, sila kasunod. Senior high. Senior high. Senior high.
Isa mo dyan eskwela, senior high? Okay ba? Dali na ba?
Memories sa Arcelo. Found sila. Biryani and barbecue. So, yummy. Kami sa parola. Wow.
Dili lagi nakaduol nimo.
Oh, wow! Grabe ha. Imong pagkaon.
Ayaw, ani ang
O, ikaw siyan. Kaon na. Ang with high honors. Sulfur. Nice eh. Ikaw mo na. Go, go, go.